Okay, this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, and we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. We're doing new brake rotors, pads, and calipers with brackets. All right, so this one actually doesn't look that bad. This is my side I'm gonna leave put together so I can do the other side correctly. You know, your books and pictures and videos are all great, but there's nothing better than just being able to look at the brake that's put together on the other side. So, inboard pad is okay, outboard pad's pretty worn. Yeah, pretty worn out. We'll replace all of that. We got brand new stuff already coming, and this is what the passenger sides. This is the rotor. What's left of it. This is the shoe that cut it up, and all of that is coming in one piece. And all I'm gonna have to do is bolt it on, bleed the brake, and put that emergency brake cable back in place when it gets here. We got brand new pads and calipers with the bracket. Okay, I went ahead and got it that way. This has got some kind of fancy thing here you got to do to get this apart, so I just left it alone. But I'll keep it, you know. There's really nothing wrong with that piece, but we're gonna replace it. The hard part about these is, see that right there? You got to screw that back in. So you're gonna have to take it all apart, clean it all up super good, and you can see, geez, that boot right there ain't too good. Yeah, I already got a new one coming. So yeah, and then you have a tool you stick right in here, and you can turn that in. I've done it before, but we're not doing it this time. See if I can give you a quick peek of the tool. I got it handy. Anyway, it looks like a square cube. You can just put it at your parts store. Yeah, I don't see it right now. I seen it earlier. Okay. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Yeah, you just get you one of these. Then you can turn that in. This is made so you can do different kinds of brakes. This is for a self-adjusting brake setup. That's what this is. You know, as the pad wears, it brings it closer, it keeps it close. So you have good stopping power. I hate to admit, I thought it was the front, and I'm glad I replaced all of that stuff in the front, especially the bearings. But now doing it this way, I'm gonna get brand new car brakes on this thing to go with the brand new engine and transmission and all the other brand new parts under the hood. Practically everything under the hood of this car is brand new. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.